All right, guys, we've got a good one today because the Razer Kishi Ultra is here, and well, it's time to unbox it. And this is the newest mobile controller released from Razer, which I am very excited to unbox. However, this controller is a bit more expensive than some of the other controllers in the market because it is selling for a whopping $150. Time will tell if the price justifies the cost, but once this is completely out of the box, I plan on running some World War Z gameplay on it with my Galaxy Z Flip 5. And honestly, the packaging on this box is very nice, but what's even nicer is that this controller is larger than the previous generations and extends outwards even more. It is supposed to be able to fit and iPad mini, but I will also see later on if the Z Fold series fits in here as well. But as far as design goes, this is basically what I expected. Razer isn't exactly reinventing the wheel with this release, but it also lights up on both sides of the controller, which is a nice touch. You will also notice the grip on this for placing your phone into is a bit upgraded with better rubber, and it also works with USB-C only devices. My first impressions are that I really just need to test this thing out and see what's it made of. Of course, as I'm doing that, stick around till the end because I'm going to shoot the shit out of zombies. You can also check out some discount links for this controller, as well as get on our tech newsletter where we send one email out a week on tech updates by checking out some links below in the description. Don't forget to tap that like and let's run it.
Can anyone hear me?
What are you doing?
I'm not leaving anyone behind. We're done and we're sure.
Reloading!
We're here. Prepared for this.
I didn't understand why we evacuated the whole country.
Stop everything! Need to be more careful. There's no one back here. They got out. Cover me, I'm reloading!
Loading fresh ammo! I see an infector! Throwing a grenade! Those shots came from the highway.
Rescue leader, what's going on?
Enemy contact. We're okay, but that sound is going to bring more.
Heading to you now.
I'm reloading.
This, I wanted to recommend you guys check out Ignition Poker. You know, I think most of us enjoy playing poker in our free time, and this is a great place to do just that. I've currently been playing on Ignition for the last 7 years and regularly tear things up at the mid-stake games. They've got amazing software for playing on your phone or PC and also offer you the ability
to play both free and real money games. And with lots of cash games running 24 hours a day and millions of dollars in monthly tournament prizes, you should be asking yourself, what am I doing here? I need to check out Ignition Poker ASAP. Of course, if you guys would like to learn more about them, there will be some bonus and resource links for them directly below in the description of this video.
Get together, then we leave.
We are here, rescue leader.
Moving out. You're too far. We can't go forward. We're not moving without your protection.
Grenade going out! Reloading!
They're all over. Help!
Don't let them get inside the bus. You're in my world now. Top them down.
Loading fresh ammo!
Screamer.
I see a big one! Finally dropped the boom! Mowing them down! Reloading! Throwing a grenade! Loading fresh ammo! This might slow them down. Everyone move, now! I'm so sorry.
Reloading.
50 cal locked and loaded. Defense kit. Reload!
Rescue leader, why did you stop?
Road barriers. Raised to keep civilians from jamming the port. We can lower them. I know there's a control panel nearby.
We'll get them